While the universe is surely a big place to study, we should not forget our solar system, in which there are 8 planets, including the Earth. Do you remember those styrofoam models of our solar system that you made in elementary school? Trust me, this solar system is cooler than that. Hi there, you are watching WizPal, and today I'll be telling you about 20 crazy facts about the planets. These facts will shock, delight, wow, and inspire you. If you don't remember, let me tell you that Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the 8 planets of our solar system that orbit around the Sun. If you think that you learned about Pluto as the 9th planet of our solar system, allow me to tell you that this is no longer considered a planet. Instead, Pluto is now a dwarf planet. Number 1. The biggest volcano. Scientists claim that something happened in the past that caused gigantic volcanoes to form and erupt on Mars. One such volcano is the Olympus Mons, which is the biggest volcano humans have ever discovered. It is 16 miles high and stretches 374 miles across. This is approximately the size of Arizona. Number 2. The Moon with towering volcanic eruptions. When you see the Moon, you are watching an inactive moon. However, the moon low of Jupiter has a chaotic landscape. This moon has hundreds of volcanoes, sending plumes up to 250 miles into its atmosphere, making it the most active moon in our solar system. Imagine witnessing such towering volcanic eruptions on Earth. Number 3. The planet that is tilted on its side. When you first see Uranus, it appears like a featureless blue ball. But this giant gas planet of the outer solar system becomes pretty weird upon closer inspection. This planet rotates on its side, and this tilt makes it a unique planet. What do you think would have caused Uranus to rotate on its side? Number 4. The planet that has the longest valley. Another crazy fact about Mars. While you may think of the Grand Canyon as the longest valley, let me tell you that Valles Marineris of Mars is 4,000 kilometers long. This is 10 times as long as the Grand Canyon, and about as long as the United States. Unfortunately, you can't visit this valley since we cannot send a rover over there easily. Number 5. Water ice. Previously, scientists thought that water ice is a rare substance in space. Actually, we are not looking for this substance in the right place. Now, scientists have discovered that water ice is a common component of comets and asteroids, and it exists all over the solar system. However, we currently don't know if water ice found on the Moon and Mercury is enough to support colonies. Number 6. Super powerful winds of Venus. The high-pressure environment and high temperatures of Venus make it a hellish planet. Scientists have found that the upper winds of this planet flow 50 times faster as compared to Venus's rotation. And the hurricane-force winds are getting stronger over time. Imagine you could drive your car at such a high speed. Number 7. Supersonic winds of Neptune. On Earth, we are mostly concerned about hurricanes. Interestingly, the strength of these storms is nowhere near to those on Neptune. According to NASA, winds can blow at over 1,770 kilometers per hour on Neptune's highest altitudes. This is faster than the speed of sound on Earth. Number 8. Planets with no moons. While there are dozens of moons in the solar system, Mercury, as well as Venus, don't have moons. For instance, Mars has 2 moons, Earth has 1 moon, and Saturn has 60 moons. So why don't these 2 planets have moons? Scientists don't actually know the reason behind this. Could you provide an answer? Number 9. Rocks from Mars. Scientists have found rocks on our planet that directly came from Mars. These rocks contain pockets of gas identical to the chemicals found on Mars. Scientists believe that these rocks came to Earth due to an asteroid hitting Mars. Number 10. The unique chemical composition of Earth. You most probably know that Earth is made of oxygen, sodium, magnesium, sulfur, silicon, iron, calcium, aluminum, and nickel. And although these elements are present on other planets, they are only found in trace amounts. Helium and hydrogen are the majority of elements found on other planets, while iron, silicon, oxygen, and magnesium make up around 90% of Earth. Our planet is undoubtedly a unique one. Number 11. There could be life somewhere in the solar system. While scientists have not yet found evidence of life elsewhere in the solar system, extreme microbes living underwater or in frozen environments indicate that such microbes could also live on other planets and their moons. What if there is actually microbial life on Mars or other planets? Number 12. The shrinking Mercury. For several years, scientists were convinced that Earth was the only tectonically active planet in our solar system. However, studies have revealed that Mercury is still contracting even 4.5 billion years after the solar system formation. Interesting, right? Number 13. Pluto has mountains. At the edge of our solar system, there is a tiny world which we call Pluto. At first, it was believed that this dwarf planet has a fairly uniform environment. However, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft sent back pictures indicating icy mountains on this planet. This indicates that Pluto was geologically active in the past 100 million years. But the Sun is too far away from this planet to provide energy for geological activity. Mysterious, right? Number 14. Mercury has ice. You must be shocked to know that the closest planet to the Sun has ice on its surface. Mercury has ice in permanently shadowed craters, and let me tell you that these craters never receive any sunlight. Moreover, NASA's Messenger spacecraft has also found organics, the building blocks for life on Mars. Number 15. Mars had a thicker atmosphere. Mercury is an atmosphereless planet, while Venus has a thick one. On the other hand, Mars has a thin atmosphere. However, gillies carved in the past on Mars from probable water indicate that Mars had a thicker atmosphere in the past. So where did this thick atmosphere go? Number 16. Venus is the hottest planet. Since Mercury is the closest to the Sun, you probably believe that this planet is the hottest one in our solar system. However, the reality is that Venus is the hottest planet. Why? Because of its incredibly thick atmosphere. The sunlight causes the planet to heat up. The average temperature on this planet is 875 degrees Fahrenheit, while it is only 800 degrees on Mercury. Number 17. The ongoing storm on Jupiter. An area known as the Great Red Spot on Jupiter has a giant hurricane-like storm raging non-stop for around 300 years. The fierce winds of this storm have a speed of about 270 miles per hour. And let me also tell you that the stormy Great Red Spot is more than 2 times the size of our planet. Imagine experiencing a similar non-stop storm on Earth. Number 18. Space is not very far away from you. When we talk about space, we think that it would be hundreds or even thousands of kilometers away from us. However, the Kármán line, which marks the technical starting point of space, is only 62 miles above Earth. If you somehow manage to drive your car straight up into space, you will reach this mark in less than 1 hour. Number 19. The planet made of diamonds. Researchers at Yale University have discovered a rocky planet called 55 Cancri e that seems to be made of diamond and graphite. This planet is located 40 light-years away from Earth, and it's 8 times greater in mass than Earth. It sounds too glamorous to be true, right? Number 20. Footprints on the Moon will not disappear for 100 million years. Every single footprint left on Earth's moon will probably remain solidified for around 100 million years, because there is no water or wind to erode and wash away those footprints. While these are some of the crazy facts about the planets in our solar system, there are still numerous strange phenomena happening out there that we will probably discover in the future. Maybe there is an undiscovered giant planet lurking somewhere in the solar system. Our solar system is indeed a bizarre place with its mysterious planets and moons. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, tell us in the comment section below which of these facts surprised you the most. Lastly, make sure to subscribe to WizPal and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss any updates.